guys, I have invested time, energy, and my money on this hair. Hair has grown so well, guys. So guys, this is what I have been using for her, for my daughter's hair. So what I have in this spray bottle is amla and water. I mix both of them together, so that is what I use in spraying her hair. So the other thing I have over here is this hair product, hair growth oil, that I make a month ago. You can find that video on my channel, how I mix everything together. So this is what I have in this bottle. As you can see, we have finished one bottle, so this is the other bottle I'm going to be mixing today, and I decided to add more coconut oil inside. So this is what I am doing right now. I am adding more coconut oil into the hair growth oil. Come with me, let me show you how I apply all this cream on her hair, how I grow her hair with this hair growth product. So guys, just come with me and let's get started. So I apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner to soften her hair so that I will be able to comb it very well. So I went ahead and cornrowed her hair, and I left it for 2 days before washing it out. We are only 1 month gone, and look at how this hair has grown. We still have 5 months to go. So guys, I will update you guys anything I get to use on our hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.